my name is Kim and I came to Craftery Academy today to do my shampoo bar and conditioner bar course, and I really had a good experience because from the first time I talked on the phone, I found through website, and from the first time I saw in the website that it was ISO certified company, so that's why I chose this place. And it was very easy to talk to Nisha ma'am, and today Ashima ma'am taught me how to make it. It was very friendly, nice atmosphere, and I didn't feel rushed. I didn't feel any anxiety or anything. It was very simple, and she guided me through it. She explained everything, whatever questions I had, like if I wanted to change or substitute something, then she was very open about the explanation why and how you should do it. So I really like it, and I'm very happy with the product because I really like the color also, and I've already used shampoo bar before, but conditioner I'll be using for the first time, and I really like it, and I'm pretty sure that this product will be very good. Thank you. And I also would highly recommend this place because the service is good, environment is good, it's two ladies, and it's a very friendly environment, very homely and cozy environment, so you will not have any problem in doing this course here. So I would highly recommend this place.